It's almost summer, and as you can see, there's a lot of light coming in from my window. Inspired me to unbox this split solar wall lamp. A lot of you guys are going to be getting these now from Amazon. You've probably seen them on Amazon, sort of the same shape, slight variety, mostly white labeled. I'm just going to unbox this one to show you guys what actually comes in the box. Oh, all right, so these are wall plugs. As you can see, you have the plug and the screws in case you want to mount them on a wall. You drill the wall, put those in, and then you can screw them in. Okay, so we have here. Oh, something else dropped out there. There's a USB cable. It's a standard USB cable, so that's not USB-C, standard USB. I like to see sort of hybrid systems like this. Anything else in there? Nope. And finally, we have the actual device itself. As you can see, it's got the mounting holes there for the wall or wherever you're going to mount that. You've got the solar panel there. That's where obviously the solar energy gets taken into the device. It's got a nice swivel movement there to position the solar panel in the best angle. Well, this is the best part. The actual LEDs themselves also swivel to position the lights perfectly. So you can have, you know, light going in 3 dimensions, 3 directions, which is good. You can also just have them pointing forward if you're mounting them in front of a shed or something like this, right? Here you have a motion sensor, so that allows it to operate in the different modes and to save energy. So what I would normally do with these is I would obviously charge them to capacity at first, and then have the sun top up that charge as time goes on. As the days get longer in summer, these get very, very popular because you get shorter nights here in the Northern Hemisphere or anywhere else that has summer. So they last throughout the night. There's the button there for changing the modes from the different on and off modes. I'll do a video after this one that demonstrates what the actual modes are, but I think I have to charge it because it's been in the box for almost an entire year. So I'll do a video showing you guys all the modes, but I have to charge it first. So watch out for the next video.